Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Alright, so in this video today, here we are at the World Market. Alright, so I'm noticing here that a lot of these items are reduced. So let's walk around and take a look to see what they have. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll see you at the end. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a happy, happy, happy Thanksgiving Day. God bless you.